Hey guys, welcome to the Hacked Existence 3D printing series. In today's video, we're going to be looking at the Barad-Dur or Saurons tower. This is a tower from Lord of the Rings that lrpetey on Thingiverse has converted into a dice tower. So if we look at the top piece here, he's cut these holes in here that you can drop a d20 in, where they ricochet all through the inside and pop out of the door here into this little walled area. So it's chopped up into 5 pieces that I haven't glued together yet so that it all prints out on the X1 carbon in one piece at a time. And one of the neat parts about it is these spires here. They are a little bit fragile, making this a little intense, so you need a nice place to put it. But ultimately, this thing will become a nice centerpiece for a Dungeons and Dragons campaign. So I printed all 5 pieces at 1000x scale using Bambu Lab Studio to scale it up, and everything came out great. So if you're interested in printing it, you can look at the description for the link to lrpetey's files on Thingiverse. As always, stay tuned, and thanks for watching.